Hello. Here is a mistake that is common among so many students. Let's consider the following example. I have two tall friends, John and Mary, but Mary is the tallest. Obviously, so many students would find this a normal sentence and tallest as being the correct form of the adjective, except that there is a mistake here. Instead of the tallest, the correct form is the taller. But how come? We have the definite article the before the adjective. This is one of the misleading pieces of advice that students get. Whenever you have a definite article the before the adjective, and in the event that you are asked to choose between the comparative and superlative, choose the superlative. This is of course false. The primary criterion that we use to choose between the comparative and superlative is not the existence or absence of the definite article the before the adjective. It's rather how many elements we are comparing. And this constitutes a pedagogical implication to beginning teachers. When they teach comparatives, for example, they need to ask students to read the sentence and understand what it's about and understand the context, rather than asking them just to see if there is the or not. And this is a piece of advice that circulates among students. If we are comparing X and Y, that is to say two elements, regardless of whether we have the before the adjective or not, we need to put the adjective in its comparative rather than superlative form. In order to shed more light on this distinction between the comparative and the superlative form, let's consider these two short conversations. Conversation 1. Which highway should I take to the capital? Highway 1 or Highway 2? Answer. Take Highway 1. It's the shorter and the faster. Here we have used the comparative form even if we have the. Why? Because we are comparing Highway 1 with Highway 2. We cannot say take Highway 1, it's the shortest of the two. No. Let's consider another conversation. Which of the many highways should I take to the capital? Answer, take Highway 1, it's the shortest and the fastest. Here, yes, the shortest and the fastest is the correct form. Why? Because the implication is that we are comparing more than one highway, because the question says, which of the many highways? Thank you.